I mean, what I would say, President,
how
if
would
I
you
could,
respond to
if I
that?
could, 1 second, just make the point. It's a two-way street too, and we are investing a lot more in America now. And people may not realise, but Ryanair, one of our biggest airlines, for example,
Outright.
AirCap,
Outright.
they buy more. The two of them together buy more Boeing airplanes than anybody else outside
That's
of America. That's a little known fact. It doesn't turn up in the statistics, but Ryanair and AirCap, big aircraft leasing company, Irish company, have done great work with Boeing and huge investments over the last number of years. You know, so and there's a lot of Irish companies here now, about 700 odd Irish companies based in America. Glanbia, Smurfit, Rock. I was saying to you this morning, Vice President. A lot of them creating thousands of jobs in America. And it's only fair. I mean, that's correct.
That's right.
That's the way it should happen. And I think it's a very good relationship we have. It's a historic one. It's happened over time. We've added value to American companies. We've increased their value. They've got access to the European market, and they did all of that. I understand where you're coming from fully. But I think it's a relationship that we can develop and that will endure into the future. And will change, it will adapt,
it's true.
and you're evolving and you're doing things.